Want to create studio-quality animated videos in minutes, even if you have zero design experience? In this video, we're looking at Animaker, an incredibly powerful online animation tool that's changing how we make videos in 2026. Whether you're a marketer, a teacher, an HR professional, or just someone wanting to make a cool personal video, Animaker is built for everyone. With over 35 million users worldwide, it's one of the most popular platforms out there. So, how does it work? Animaker combines the power of AI with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. One of its standout features is the Animaker AI, which helps you generate animated videos effortlessly. If you want to customize your content, you can use their super powerful character builder to create literally billions of unique character combinations to match your brand or personality. On top of that, you get access to the world's largest asset library, featuring over 100 million stock media assets, 70,000 icons, and 30,000 music tracks and stickers. If you're short on time, you can choose from thousands of pre-made templates to get a video ready in under 5 minutes. For those who want more control, there are over 25 editing tools, ranging from basic trimming and cropping to advanced features like a green screen editor and video effects controller. Now, to be completely transparent, we have limited external user review data to share today, so we can't give you a detailed list of common user pros and cons. However, the platform is free to start, meaning you can test out all these features yourself without any financial risk. If you want to turn complex ideas into engaging, visually compelling animated videos, Animaker is definitely worth a look. Head over to animaker.com to start creating for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI video tips, and let us know in the comments what you're planning to build.